What if our differences aren't about race, but about our remarkable ability to adapt? I understand your desire to ensure a future for your children, but let's broaden our perspective. Human diversity isn't about race. It's about adaptations to our environments. Climate, geography, and time shaped our physical characteristics, like skin tone and hair texture. For instance, people living near the equator developed darker skin to protect themselves from intense sunlight, while those in colder regions adapted to lighter skin. These changes occurred gradually over many generations, typically spanning thousands of years, not hundreds. This process unfolds slowly, through subtle genetic shifts, as populations adapt to their environment. To clarify, we're talking about a time frame of 10 to 20 generations, 200 to 400 years, for slight adaptations. 50 to 100 generations, 1,000 to 2,000 years, for noticeable changes. 100 to 200 generations, 2,000 to 4,000 years, or more, for significant transformations. Keep in mind that these time frames are approximate and vary depending on factors like population size, migration, and environmental pressures. Imagine a white family moving to Africa. Over time, their descendants will likely become darker-skinned due to the stronger sun. This isn't because of mixing with other races, but because their bodies adapt to the environment. Conversely, if a brown or black family moves to a region with less sunlight, such as Northern Europe, their descendants will likely become lighter-skinned over generations. Again, this is not due to racial mixing, but rather their bodies adapting to the new environment. For example, people living near the equator developed darker skin to protect themselves from intense sunlight. Those in colder regions adapted to lighter skin. Hair texture and other physical traits also change. This process happens gradually, over many generations. It's not about race, it's about our bodies adjusting to the environment. Let's focus on our shared humanity and work together for a brighter future, regardless of physical differences. Our children's well-being depends on unity, understanding, and mutual support. Let's celebrate our differences and recognize that our diversity is a strength. How can recognizing the environmental roots of human diversity inspire greater empathy, understanding, and unity among people from different backgrounds? As you explore this topic, consider the intricate relationships between environment, culture, and biology, the importance of inclusive education, the power of embracing diversity. Embark on your own journey of discovery, remembering to stay open-minded, even when findings challenge existing beliefs, to seek unbiased sources, broadening your understanding, to avoid confirmation bias, considering diverse perspectives. Through self-directed research, you'll deepen your knowledge, fostering a more inclusive worldview.